Are you stuck in a current job? Ready for a change but not sure where to begin? I'll walk you through a step-by-step process of successfully changing jobs. Hi there, welcome to iVega. In this video, I'll provide you with valuable insights and practical tips on how to successfully transition from one job to another so you can achieve your career aspirations and professional goals. So let's dive in. Why do people change jobs? Here are some of the main reasons why people change jobs. Better career prospects. This could mean a higher salary, a better work-life balance, opportunities for advancement, or more challenging and interesting work. Poor work environment. This could include a toxic workplace culture, a difficult boss, or limited growth opportunities. Job dissatisfaction. This could mean feeling unfulfilled, unhappy, or undervalued in the current job, or having a poor work environment or negative co-workers. Job loss or layoff. This could mean being laid off or facing a job loss and seeking a new job as a necessity. Personal life changes, such as moving to a different location or seeking a change in work environment. New challenges. This could mean taking a new role, working on a different type of project, or gaining experience in a new industry. Steps to change a job. Here is a step-by-step process to change a job. Step number 1. Self-assessment. Take time to identify your skills, strengths, and weaknesses. Understand your career goals and objectives. Assess your current job and identify what you like and dislike about it. Make a list of things based on the assessment. Consider what you want to gain from a new job and what you want to avoid. Step number 2. Research and job search. Research the job market and identify the job positions and companies that match your goals and interests. Use job search websites, professional networks, company websites, and social media to identify job opportunities. Step number 3. Preparation. Customize your resume and cover letter to match the requirements of each job you apply for. Highlight your skills, experience, and achievements that align with your job requirements. Prepare for interviews by researching the company and the job position, practicing common interview questions, and preparing thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer. Step number 4. Execution. Apply to new jobs online and reach out to shortlisted companies. Attend job interviews and present yourself professionally. Follow up with the interviewer or HR coordinator after the interview to thank them for their time and express your interest in the job. Step number 5. Evaluation. Evaluate job offers by comparing the job responsibilities, compensation, benefits, work environment, and opportunities for growth and development. Negotiate the job offer if necessary and propose changes if needed. Decide on the job offer which suits you the best. Step number 6. Resignation. Don't resign until you received a new job offer. Accept the job offer and resign from your current job. Provide sufficient notice to your employer and offer to help with the transition process. And step number 7. Transition. Complete the onboarding process for your new job, including any training or orientation sessions. Start your new job with a positive attitude and a willingness to learn and contribute to your new team. Changing jobs is a complex process, but by following these steps, you can make the transition smoother and increase your chances of finding a job that aligns with your career aspirations and goals. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it valuable. My name is Gopala Krishna Bala. I'm an experienced IT professional who loves mentoring job seekers. And consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell to stay updated on future content.